Oil taking a hit as well today. Trader Todd Horwitz is watching the action from the CME. Ashley Webster is on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And Ashley, you were watching some of today's biggest losers down there.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, look, it could be worse. We were down 267 at one point on the Dow. Coming back, if you like, still down 197 points. No doubt about it. Sell off today. Let's take a look at some of those stocks with the biggest drag on the Dow. There you have it. Merck down 3%. United Health Group down nearly 2.5%. The healthcare sector, the biggest drag on the Dow, the S&P and the Nasdaq, by the way. Fears of perhaps a Democratic sweep in the presidential elections would be hard on healthcare. There again, Donald Trump said that he wanted to lower healthcare costs as well. Either way, healthcare stocks hurting today. Intel down nearly 2%. Johnson & Johnson also down nearly 2%. Now, we are kicking off the third quarter earnings season, taking a look at Alcoa. And boy, oh boy, did this set the tone. Alcoa, as you can see, down nearly 11.5%. It missed on both earnings and revenue. And also the revenue guidance from Alcoa was weaker than expected. Put that all together, not a great way to kick off the earnings season. Alcoa getting punished, down some 11%. We also want to mention the VIX. The VIX, that's the volatility index, up today, as you might imagine, up, 15%, up to 15.3, guys. One of those days. Back to you.
One of those days. Ashley, thank you very much.
Sure.
Todd, as you just heard, some are blaming the stock dive on Alcoa and other earnings. Others say it's oil and the rise in the dollar. What say the commodity traders?
What do you say, David? Oil has reached a level of probably pretty much resistance here. The dollar is extremely strong. Oil actually, based on the rest of the performance of the market, held up remarkably well. Now, I believe that oil has probably reached its pinnacle and is going to start to head lower. I don't think it had anything to do with the sell-off. The overall strength in the dollar and the overall rumors of OPEC, and the other thing we're seeing is still a little bit of fear in the oil space based on OPEC and based on yesterday's bombing of Yemen and the missiles to the ship. Those are things that have kept oil a little bit higher. Once those go away, I think oil comes straight down.
Good stuff, Todd. Thank you very much. Melissa.